we head over to the Students section. Here, we'll find the Add Student button. Selecting it will open a form where we'll enter the student's basic information, their full name, their email address, and their phone number. Next, we can complete the course details, such as the license type or the assigned instructor. And at the bottom, we need to choose whether we want to activate the student now or leave this option unchecked to activate them later. Once everything is ready, we click on Add Student. The system will automatically generate a 6-digit invitation code, which will also be sent to the student via email. With this code, the student will open the Mettis mobile app and enter the numbers in the bottom section where it says Continue with Invitation. This will take them directly to the account creation screen, where they can set their own password, accept the privacy terms, and complete their registration as usual.